want some sauce?
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What's up, everybody? How's it going out there? I know what you're saying is, what kind of milkshake starts with a frying pan? Well, I'm going to tell you. We got to go ahead and cut some butter off inside here, and we're going to let that melt. And within that, we're going to end up putting a little bit of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar if you want to. If you want to add cinnamon, which I'm going to, and we're going to put a few dashes of cinnamon here. And don't worry about the brown sugar and cinnamon dissolving completely in this, because by the time that we're done, it'll dissolve. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some bananas. Well, a banana that has been quartered, and we're going to throw it inside here. If you want to throw orange juice in there, you can. Not necessary. Now, I'm going to lower this down to about medium, okay, because I don't want this to caramelize too much. And using and I'm only cooking these guys for maybe, I don't know, 45 seconds on each side. Okay. Now that I have that turned, I'm going to put just a little bit of banana liqueur inside here. Now the banana liqueur usually is only about 15% alcohol. It could ignite, but it's unlikely. So I got about a shot and a half of Captain Morgan here. I'm going to take this off of the fire. I'm placing it on there, kind of shaking this a little bit, and then just by bringing this over to the flame, we've got our flambe here. Make sure you do this in an area where, you know, the ceiling isn't too close to the top of that. Okay, now I got about good 4 feet. And is it important that this actually burns like that? Absolutely it is. Because, well, it's not just for show, it actually changes the flavor of this a little bit. Ordinarily, you would take this and you would kind of have a banana Foster, and you put your vanilla ice cream in a container, then you'd put your banana in there. But we're going to be making a banana Foster milkshake. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some ice cream inside here. Now I don't need to add too much milk to this, because this bananas that are hot are going to end up melting some of this ice cream. Anyway, guys, that's that Banana Foster's milkshake. And if you let the bananas and everything cool off, you can have a much thicker milkshake. Okay. Now this, I've got thin straws, so I wanted it to be a little bit thinner, because if not, you'd never be able to get any through that damn little straw. But anyway, that's that. And until next time, talk to you later.